Looking for the ultimate drone that's worth every penny? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, DJI has a drone for everyone. In this video, we're breaking down the best DJI drones to buy, from jaw-dropping 4 Kelvins cameras to insane flight stability. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which drone is perfect for your next aerial adventure. Product 5. Drone with 4 Kelvins UHD camera for adults. Ready to level up your aerial content game? Meet the DJI Mini 4 Kelvins. Fly More Combo, your new creative partner. Reason 1. Capture breathtaking 4 Kelvins cinematic footage anytime, anywhere. Its 3-axis gimbal keeps your shots ultra smooth and professional. Reason 2. Fly longer with 3 batteries up to 93 minutes total. No more battery anxiety, just uninterrupted shooting and exploring. Reason 3. Beginner, friendly controls make flying super easy. One-tap takeoff, auto return, and in-app tutorials for safe flights. Ultra lightweight, under 249 grams, no registration needed for most users. Travel light and shoot anywhere, perfect for creators on the go. Quick Shots feature lets you film pro-level videos with just a tap. Stable even in strong winds, adventure without limits. Get everything you need: drone, batteries, charging hub, and bag. Ready to create stunning aerial stories? Don't miss out. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today and start exploring the skies. Product: Quart. DJI Mini 3 Camera Drone Quadcopter. Ready to level up your travel and photography game? Meet the DJI Mini 3, your new ultralight, foldable camera drone. Reason 1. Stunning 4 Kelvins HDR video for breathtaking aerial shots. Capture vibrant colors and crisp details, day or night, effortlessly. Reason 2. Extended flight time up to 1 minutes per battery. More time in the air means more creative possibilities for you. Reason 3. Beginner-friendly controls and smart shooting modes. Fly with confidence, even if you're new to drones. True vertical shooting unlocks dynamic content for social media. Travel light under 249 grams, no registration needed in most regions. 10 kilometers transmission range keeps your footage stable and secure. Comes bundled with extra batteries, backpack, and accessories. Perfect for travelers, creators, and drone beginners alike. Ready to capture epic adventures from above? Ready to elevate your creativity? Check the product link in the description and get your DJI Mini 3 today. Product 3. Dual Camera Drone. Golden hour. A lone traveler stands atop a misty cliff. He unfolds the DJI Air 3 seconds. Anticipation in his eyes. The drone lifts off, slicing through the glowing sky. Dual 4 Kelvins cameras capture vibrant sunsets and shadowy valleys. A sudden gust he navigates with advanced obstacle sensors. Night falls. City lights shimmer. The drone adapts seamlessly. LiDAR guides safe flight through narrow, unfamiliar streets. He switches to panorama mode, stitching breathtaking vistas. Battery indicator: 45 minutes of creative freedom remain. He explores distant landscapes. 20 kilometers transmission keeps him connected. A moment of doubt signal weak, but smart RTH activates. The drone calculates the safest route, returning home swiftly. Reviewing footage, he's awed by cinematic detail and dynamic range. His story complete, he packs up, inspired for the next journey. Unlock your adventure, choose DJI Air 3 seconds for limitless creativity. Check the product link in the description to grab yours and start capturing the skies like never before. Product 2. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Drone. Meet the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, your sky-high creative sidekick, packing a whopping 100 MP Hasselblad camera. That's pixel party. Capture 6 Kelvins divided by 60 frames per second HDR video, Hollywood called "They're jealous." Triple camera system, wide, medium tele, and tele. 3 amigos. Infinity gimbal spins 360 degrees. It's the breakdancer of drones. 0.1 lux nightscape vision sees in the dark better than your cat. LiDAR obstacle sensing keeps it safe. No accidental tree hugs. 51-minute flight time, enough to film a nature documentary or two. DJI O4 Plus transmission, 30 kilometers range. Your drone's got marathon legs. Active track 360 degrees keeps subjects locked like paparazzi with manners. 4 Kelvins divided by 120 frames per second slow-mo. Dramatic squirrel chase, anyone? 512 gigabytes onboard storage room for all your epic aerial bloopers. Wi-Fi 6 quick transfer, 80 megabytes per second. Blink and your files are done. Creator combo includes extra batteries, propellers, and pro accessories. Perfect for photographers, filmmakers, and content creators on the move. Check the product link in the description and elevate your aerial adventures. Product 1. Mini drone with 4 Kelvins UHD camera. Ready to capture life's best moments hands-free? Imagine hiking, traveling, or vlogging with effortless aerial shots. Meet DJI Neo, the ultralight 135 grams mini drone for adults. No FAA registration needed, just grab and go anywhere. Palm Takeoff lets you launch Neo with a single button. Controller-free operation flyby app, voice, or RC. Subject tracking keeps you in frame, even on the move. 8 quick shots modes deliver creative, cinematic footage. 4 Kelvins UHD camera with advanced stabilization for smooth video. Level 4 wind resistance ensures steady shots outdoors. Full coverage propeller guards for safe indoor flights. Flexible combos. Choose 1, 2, or 3 batteries. Download DJI Fly app from DJI's official website for activation. Perfect for travel enthusiasts, creators, and tech beginners. Discover new perspectives, upgrade your content instantly. Don't miss out. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today.